I got a bonus at work today. I got a bonus at work today. My mom is going through menopause. My mom is going through menopause. She can't see, so she turns on the flashlight. She can't see, so she turns on the flashlight. I weigh 52 kilograms now. I weigh 52 kilograms now. She gets a nose job this month. She gets a nose job this month. Pop the champagne. Pop the champagne. He begs his mom for forgiveness. He begs his mom for forgiveness. She has a swollen face today. She has a swollen face today. I straighten my hair at home. I straighten my hair at home. She live streams to sell clothes every day. She live streams to sell clothes every day. I wear contact lenses every day. I wear contact lenses every day. I drink soda with my lunch. I drink soda with my lunch. I arrange flowers in the morning. I arrange flowers in the morning. I slap mosquitoes on my arm. I slap mosquitoes on my arm. What a coincidence! We're wearing the same thing. What a coincidence! We're wearing the same thing. I have a sore throat today. I have a sore throat today. I like eating raw food. I like eating raw food. I work seriously every day. I work seriously every day. My eyes are tired from reading. My eyes are tired from reading. She meditates for 10 minutes. She meditates for 10 minutes. I relax on the sofa after work. I relax on the sofa after work. I lose a lot of weight this year. I lose a lot of weight this year. I forget my wallet at home. I forget my wallet at home. I use breath spray after eating. I use breath spray after eating. I have a lot of freckles on my face. I have a lot of freckles on my face. Do you like eating salad? Do you like eating salad? He has asthma, so he can't run too fast. He has asthma, so he can't run too fast. I have food poisoning from bad meat. I have food poisoning from bad meat. I pour water into a glass for dinner. I pour water into a glass for dinner. She worries because her son has a fever. She worries because her son has a fever. I am busy every Monday. I am busy every Monday. Sorry, I have to say no this time. Sorry, I have to say no this time. My friends always gossip at lunch. My friends always gossip at lunch. I swear I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. She speaks 5 languages. She speaks 5 languages. She's going into labor right now. She's going into labor right now. I measure my belly fat at the gym. I measure my belly fat at the gym. He opens his eyes with his hands. He opens his eyes with his hands. We use sign language. We use sign language. I comfort my friend when she cries. I comfort my friend when she cries. I walk with my husband every evening. 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 I cut my own hair with scissors. I cut my own hair with scissors. I open a jar of jam for breakfast. I open a jar of jam for breakfast. My laptop is overheating again. My laptop is overheating again. She cracks her screen again. She cracks her screen again. I give this cafe a 5-star review. I give this cafe a 5-star review. The pregnant woman is shopping. The pregnant woman is shopping. I feel so grateful for everything today. I feel so grateful for everything today. I water the flowers every morning. I water the flowers every morning.